everybody, welcome to Gamer6. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a CPU air cooler from Cooler Master, and the model number is H410R, and it cost me around 1500 rupees, and I bought this from mdcomputers.in. There is a link in the description if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. Inside the box we get some documentation and the cooler itself. Also you get a backplate for AMD and Intel CPU installation. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.